Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Cannot believe as this video goes out it is the 1st of December already. It feels like 2 minutes ago that I put my tree up, even though I did it quite early. But yeah, how fast is it going? Yeah, it feels crazy quick that it's suddenly December, which always happens, doesn't it? But anyway, in today's video it is very festive because I haven't shown you the rest of my Christmas decorations, like all around the house. So I thought I would do that. I know a lot of people love this mug as well, by the way. I get a lot of comments about this. I don't know if they still sell them, but it was, I think it was Asda. Oh, it doesn't tell me underneath, but I'm pretty sure it was Asda. I think it's that whole gingerbread range, and they still have some things. But yeah, I do love this mug. It's a little bit awkward to drink out of though. It's got like a bit of a, goes in. Anyway, I digress. Yeah, today's video is going to be showing you my festive, cozy little house. So I thought I would do a little bit of a montage of me decorating and then give you a little bit of a tour, obviously just to show you where I decorate, what I've used and all of that sort of thing. So yeah, we will jump straight into it.
Come joining us all, the feeling is here today. Come on now, let's go, caroling through the snow all day. We've been good, but we can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now. I can't wait to see what's under the Christmas tree for you and me. Oh, little bear toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming. Wake up with a smile, the feeling is right today. Magic in the air, 'cause something is waiting for me. Oh, I've been good, but I can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now. I can't wait to see what's under the Christmas tree for you and me. Oh, little bear toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming. Oh, little bear toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming. Santa is coming. I know. Santa is coming. Oh. I don't know what he's thinking when he'd rather spend his Christmas holiday with someone else. I guess he stopped thinking about me. Yeah. I don't know what he's thinking when he says that he's been driving all night, all day to celebrate Christmas with me. But he's not here, and I'm not there. I don't know what he wants now, but I don't care. Yeah. Oh, 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 bells no more. Oh, he missed out on love, and that's for sure. Oh, he ain't ringing my bells no more. He missed out on.
Okay, so this is the living room. It is just so cozy in here. Obviously you've seen the tree. Well, you may have seen the tree if you watched my Decorate the Tree With Me video, which is, I'm not gonna lie, looking a little bit dishevelled because I have 3 boys and they play catch and all sorts and play fights. So yeah, it does keep getting a little bit knocked, but that's just life, isn't it, with 3 kids. So it is still looking lovely. The star's a little bit wonky, but yeah, that's a daily battle at the minute, just to keep all the ornaments where they're supposed to be. But there's the tree. I've got a few bits in the window. These, I don't know whether I like them as much anymore, but I still put them up. They're all from Home Bargains. Everything pretty much is from Home Bargains or B&M. I say it all the time. That's where I do like all of my Christmas decoration shopping, well, most of my shopping. The reindeers were also from Home Bargains. I've got a lot of these little snowflakes around. Again, Home Bargains. I'm pretty sure they still do them. It's like a pack of 2, and I've just put some on my curtains and things like that. The fireplace, this is the snowy garland. I got this from Home Bargains not long ago. I put it in a haul, and I've just got, these actually do have fairy lights in them, but they are not working, but I still like it as like just the bauble garland. So that is just draped over the top. The stockings, now I think they were Home Bargains, but they could have been B&M. I've definitely seen some very similar in B&M at the moment. I did used to have 2 of these, and then I can't remember, I think maybe Rudy chewed one up and then I got 2 of those ones. I don't know, but I just put them up. The boys have their own stockings upstairs. These ones are mainly just for show because they're just attached to the garland. I have to be careful it all doesn't come crashing down, and then I just sort of stick the garland under these heavy candlesticks so it doesn't fall off, although it has fallen off. I had the boys shout me yesterday to tell me it all fallen off, so yeah, lots of that happens with all the Christmas decorations. I got these, which are from Home Bargains. Got these a couple of years ago, but again, I think they still do them, so I've just put like the 4 in a row, just the different sizes, 2 small ones and 2 big ones. Now these fairy lights I got, and I put these around the whole of the room. They were so much longer than I thought they were going to be, and I was a bit like, oh, I don't know what I'm going to do with them, because I was only going to put them like over here. But I'm so glad that they are as long as they are, because they go around the whole room perfectly. The only light I need in the evening is just all the fairy lights, and it's really, really cozy. So I am so pleased that I managed to get the bigger set. I can't remember how long they are exactly, but it was Home Bargains. They were the £15 ones, and yeah, they're indoor and outdoor. I think they've got like different functions on them, but yeah, I don't think I'm going to want to take these down when it's not Christmas anymore. I just love fairy lights so much. I've also got a few cushions. So I got a couple of cushion covers. These are from Asda. I wanted to get cushion covers, so that's that one, and then the other one is this one. And I wanted to get cushion covers mainly because I just have so many like cushions. I didn't want to keep buying the ones with the actual cushion inside as well, because it just is more to store. So I've just changed the covers on a couple of my like cushions that I normally have. This I got last year. This was from Home Bargains. They have got some really nice Christmas cushions actually. I was so tempted, but like I say, I'm trying not to buy actual cushions because it's just more to try and store somewhere. But yeah, this one just says it's a season to sparkle, and I'm pretty sure that was where that was from. But yeah, they've got gorgeous ones in at the moment if you're looking for Christmas cushions. I've also got my little gingerbread candle burning away there, because these Whitford & Co ones are just really lovely at Christmas. I think the gingerbread one in particular is a nice strong scent. Yeah, this is the cozy festive living room. Absolutely my favourite room. This is at the moment. Really cozy at night time to put a Christmas film on and have a hot chocolate. And then into the hallway, I always like to put something on this radiator cover. So I've got this other garland. I've had this for, oh my gosh, probably about 10 years. It's like one of my first ever Christmas decorations. It's got a lot of pine cones and things in it already attached to it. But then I've just placed, what I tend to do is, you know, all of the baubles that don't have, or that one does, All of the ones, trying to find an example, that are broken, that don't have any string or anything on them, and they can't really be repaired if you haven't got the little thing that you know what I mean, the thing that attaches them to, then I put them in my garlands. I just place them in, and then they're not getting thrown away. I still keep them. And I've also put loads of pine cones, as you will have seen me doing when I was decorating. I think I got it from Tesco. I think it was one that I bought with like club card points, like I say, about 10 years ago. These were really inexpensive. These were from Home Bargains, just a couple of pound each. I think they're different colours as well. So I've got one of them on each end. And I've also got one of these bows, again from Home Bargains, I've just attached to the garland. And then obviously put fairy lights in, and I just love it. It's obviously the first thing you see when you walk through the door. It's just really nice. This is what I love about Christmas decorations. It just makes the whole house feel so cozy. And then on the stairs, I've got a garland that goes all the way up. This was really inexpensive, actually, this. It's not the best one. It was from Amazon. It's a couple of them that I've like attached together in the middle. And then I always just add fairy lights on there, just some battery ones. And then all these gorgeous, gorgeous baubles that I got from Home Bargains are just, I love these so much. I have got more baubles to attach actually, but I'm waiting until I go out and I can get some of the little hooks, because tying the string on these was just driving me absolutely insane. So I decided I'm not doing any more of those, and I'm going to wait until I go to the shop. So yeah, that's what I tend to do in here. I'll just do like the rail and then do the radiator cover. And into the kitchen, I've just got a few nice things around. I made this little door bow. It's not the best. I just made it out of some chair covers that you can get from Home Bargains. I think they still sell them. It's normally like a pack of 2. It's just like an organza sash. So what I've done, because this door is like, it's just never shut, it's always open, tied this one around the back, and then I've just stuck this is one that just goes along there, and I've just stuck it to the back like that, because no one's ever going to see the back. And then I just made the third one into a bow and tied it all round, and I think it looks okay. It definitely isn't as fancy as the ones that you see on all the shops, or the ones I keep seeing, but it's nice. It's just a nice little decoration. I had those left over to use somewhere, so I thought I would put them on the door like a present. Over here I've just got these Home Bargains again. Had these for a long time, little gingerbread men. Sometimes as well I have cut a few of these off and tied them to gift boxes, or like when I've made cookie jars and things, and then just tie little felt gingerbread man to them. So these come in just for like little decorations on things like that. I've got a few of these little plaques. This one says Merry Christmas, another one that says Merry Christmas. These were from Home Bargains, normally really inexpensive. These little tin signs that you can hang up as well. Over here, I didn't know what to do with this. Obviously, I'm going to use this serving sleigh, which I got from Home Bargains. This year I got this. A lot of people have bought this. I know it's a very popular item at the minute that everybody's getting. I'm obviously going to use it for food, but at the minute I just thought I would put my coffee machine on it, just to sit it on this little sleigh, which I just thought was quite cute. In the window I've got some more of this inexpensive Amazon garland, and again I have just put lots of baubles all on it, just like that. Very, very simple, but it just looks nice. I'll try and link it below. It's just some inexpensive garland that I picked up off Amazon many years ago. This was from a little shop that's near me, so I can't link this, but I do need to chalk in how many days, because it's not that many days now, is it? So yeah, that's just a nice little Santa's on his way in however many days. I've got this bunting at the top which just says Christmas. Again, I'm pretty sure that was from Home Bargains, and I've had that. No, actually, I don't know whether it was from Home. I don't know where that was from. I can't tell you. I honestly can't remember, because it was that long ago. It's one of them that just I use every year. I use some of the little command, but they're not command strips, the little hooks that were like a cheaper version from Home Bargains to attach things, and it's just worked really well. They're only inexpensive ones, and that's how I've hung a lot of things up. I've got a little bit of snow on my extractor fan just because I had some left over from the boys' room. This I'm obsessed with. I bought this last year, again from a shop near me. It was like £5. It's so inexpensive, and it's just my little cute gingerbread house ornament. On my tiered tray, this was a video I did quite a while ago now, where I made this tiered tray, just like cake tins and a couple of candlesticks. I have got just a few Christmassy things on here. I mean, some of these look amazing, and if I was wanting to buy some, like, I'm very tempted to buy a couple of cute little things to go on this, but I have just used what I've got and decorated it with that. So I've got a couple of Home Bargains mugs on here. And then I just put lots of pine cones. And again, like I say, a lot of baubles that I didn't have a use for, I've just added on there as well. These little trees, can't remember exactly where I got these from, but they do sell them in a lot of these like Poundland and places like that. You could get some really gorgeous, cute little items to put on these decorated tier trays. If you ever Google like themed tier trays, like I just find them so cute. But yeah, I just added a few baubles and things like that just to Christmassy it up a little bit. The candy cane bunting is also from Home Bargains. I think it was like 99p. That's another one of my little tin signs as well. Little jingle bells, jingle all the way. And yeah, that's everything in the kitchen as well. So I've done downstairs, and obviously if you've seen the boys' bedroom, you will know what that looks like. If not, then I will link the video so you can go and give it a watch. The only person that doesn't have any decorations is Tobes, because he never wants any, to be honest. So yeah, upstairs isn't as exciting apart from the boys' room, but downstairs just feels super cozy, really festive, and I just love it. I would have it up all year if I could. I hope you loved it, guys. I'm really pleased with it this year, like the fairy lights and everything. I'm a bit fairy light obsessed. This room in particular just feels so cozy. You don't need any, like, I've got the lamp on in here today, but with all the fairy lights like that is literally all the light that you need to have that sort of like cozy feel. I'm very happy, and I would keep it up all year round. I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna take a lot for me to take them down this year. I just feel like it should be part of my everyday homeware. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you think, and I would love to see you again for my next video. Take care everyone, bye.